Do you understand English but struggle to speak it confidently? In the next few minutes, you'll hear a natural English conversation that can help you sound more fluent, speak more naturally, and build confidence in real-life situations.
Sharing tips for better sleep. Hi, David. You look very energetic today, and I was wondering if you have been sleeping well lately.
Hi, Emma. Yes, I have been sleeping much better recently because I changed several habits that were affecting my sleep quality.
That sounds interesting because I often feel tired in the morning even after spending many hours in bed.
One important thing I learned is that the number of hours you sleep is not always as important as the quality of your sleep.
I completely agree because sometimes I sleep for 8 hours but still wake up feeling exhausted.
Have you tried going to bed at the same time every night, even during weekends?
Not really, because my bedtime changes depending on my schedule and how busy I am.
Keeping a consistent bedtime helps your body develop a natural sleep rhythm, which makes it easier to fall asleep.
That makes sense, and I think I should start following a regular sleep schedule.
Another useful tip is to avoid looking at your phone or computer screen right before bedtime.
I know that is a good idea, but I often spend an hour scrolling through social media before I sleep.
The bright light from screens can confuse your brain and make it harder for you to feel sleepy.
I did not realize that my phone could have such a strong effect on my sleep.
It definitely can, and reducing screen time before bed has helped me sleep more peacefully.
What do you usually do instead of using your phone at night?
I usually read a book, listen to calm music, or spend a few minutes relaxing quietly.
Those activities sound much more relaxing than checking messages and watching videos.
They really are, and they help my mind slow down after a busy day.
Do you also pay attention to what you eat and drink before bedtime?
Yes, I try to avoid drinking coffee or other caffeinated drinks in the evening.
I sometimes drink coffee after dinner, especially when I have work to finish.
That could be one reason why you have trouble falling asleep at night.
You may be right, and I should probably stop drinking coffee so late in the day.
Drinking water is important, but it is also a good idea not to drink too much right before bed.
Why is that important?
Because waking up several times during the night to use the bathroom can interrupt your sleep.
That happens to me quite often, and now I understand why.
Creating a comfortable sleeping environment is another helpful tip.
What kind of environment helps people sleep better?
A quiet, dark, and cool room usually helps most people relax and sleep more deeply.
I think my room is sometimes too warm, especially during hot nights.
Lowering the temperature slightly might make a noticeable difference.
I will definitely try that tonight.
Regular exercise can also improve sleep, but it is usually better not to exercise too close to bedtime.
I often exercise late at night because it is the only free time I have.
Exercise is healthy, but intense activity right before bed can make it harder to fall asleep.
I did not know that, so maybe I should exercise earlier in the evening.
That would probably help your body feel ready for sleep when bedtime arrives.
Do you ever have trouble sleeping when you feel stressed?
Yes, stress can make it very difficult to relax and fall asleep.
What do you do when your mind is full of worries?
I usually take a few deep breaths and focus on calming thoughts before bed.
That sounds like a simple but effective technique.
It really is. And sometimes I also write my thoughts in a journal.
Writing things down probably helps clear your mind.
Exactly, because it allows me to organize my thoughts instead of carrying them into bed.
I think many people underestimate how important good sleep is for overall health.
I agree, because quality sleep improves concentration, mood, and energy levels throughout the day.
Whenever I sleep well, I feel more productive and much happier.
The same thing happens to me, and I notice a big difference in my daily performance.
Thank you for sharing these useful tips with me.
You are welcome, and I hope some of them help you improve your sleep.
I am going to start by setting a regular bedtime and reducing screen time.
Those are excellent first steps and should have a positive effect.
I will also avoid drinking coffee late in the evening.
That is another smart change that may help you fall asleep faster.
I am excited to try these ideas and see if my sleep improves.
Remember that healthy sleep habits take time, so be patient with yourself.
Thank you for the encouragement, and I will do my best to stay consistent.
I am sure you will succeed, and I hope you enjoy many restful and refreshing nights ahead.